you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut watching days blend into each other with your dreams seeming just out of reach? It's like no matter what you do you're running in place, not getting any closer to where you want to be. Frustrating, isn't it? But here's a thought. What if the key to unlocking all those dreams and goals is found in the hustle and grind, but within the power of your own mind, or more specifically, the power of visualization? Buddha wisely said the mind is everything. What you think, you become, and this is something that we modern era people didn't understand but has been practiced for thousands of years in the past. Visualization is like discovering a hidden path in a dense forest. This is where visualization shines. It's a potent tool that can transform the landscape of your life in incredible ways. Think of it as an architect drawing a blueprint before the actual building takes shape. You're the architect here, and your dreams are the structures you're going to build. So how do you change the game of your life? That's what this video is all about. Keep watching until the end, because we are going to explore how the power of visualization can be your secret weapon to breaking free from the rut and stepping into a life where dreams don't just stay dreams. But to get to that point, let's first understand visualization itself. Well, you can imagine visualization like a superpower we all have, but maybe we've just forgotten how to use it. You know, when you daydream maybe about lounging on a sunny beach or nailing that job interview, that's visualization. But it's more than just daydreaming. It's like creating a movie in your mind where you're the director, the script writer, and the star. Visualization is about seeing the life you want in your head down to the tiniest detail. It's like picturing yourself holding that diploma, feeling the joy, seeing the proud smiles of your family, or maybe you're visualizing crossing the finish line of a marathon, feeling that rush of achievement. It's all about creating these clear, vivid pictures in your mind. But it's not just about seeing it, it's about feeling it, believing it. When you visualize, you're not just watching a scene, you're in it. You can feel the sand between your toes, hear the crowd cheering, smell the fresh paint in your new house. Your brain starts to think, hey, this feels real, and that's where the magic begins. And this, my friend, can change things for you big time. For instance, picture yourself healthy and strong. Studies have shown that when people visualize themselves healthy, their bodies start to believe it. Your mind is a powerful ally in healing and staying fit. Or maybe you dreamed of financial freedom. Visualize it. See yourself as a successful person, handling money wisely, living comfortably. It's like setting the GPS for your financial journey. Also, whether you're looking for love or want to strengthen your current relationships, picture happy, loving, fulfilling relationships. Visualization can help. Got goals? Visualize them. Want to write a book, start a business, or learn a new skill? See yourself doing it, succeeding at it. Visualization can help in all these areas of your life. So we've just explored how getting crystal clear about what you want is the first big step, and how can you do it? This is where you need to understand the actual process of visualization. Think of it as crafting your personal masterpiece. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but stick with it and soon you'll be painting your future with ease. Now, to start, you have to first create your dream blueprint, or what we call idealization. For it, picture yourself as an architect. Before building anything, you need a blueprint, right? Idealization is just that. It's where you dream big and get specific about what you want. Instead of a broad "I want to be happy," you zoom in. Ask yourself, what exactly does happiness mean to me? Is it having a fulfilling career, a loving family, traveling the world? This step is super important because it sets the stage. It tells your brain, hey, this is what we're aiming for. It's like programming your internal GPS with the exact coordinates of your destination. Next, we come to clarity and consistency. This duo is the heart and soul of visualization. Clarity means being as detailed as possible. Imagine painting a picture in your mind. You want to see all the colors, feel the emotions, hear the sounds. The clearer the image, the more real it becomes in your mind. Consistency is like adding fuel to your visualization. You've got this vivid image, now keep revisiting it. It's like watering a plant or working out at the gym. The more you do it, the stronger and more vivid the image becomes. Make it a daily habit, like brushing your teeth or checking your phone. Over time, this constant mental rehearsal starts to reshape your reality. Next, you will need to put this into practice. Ready for a little exercise? Imagine you're standing on a snow-covered mountainside. Close your eyes for a moment. See the endless expanse of white snow around you. Feel the crisp, cold air on your skin. Hear the soft crunch of snow Under your feet, smell the fresh pine in the air. Notice the sensation of warmth despite the cold wrapped up in your winter gear. This exercise isn't just a fun getaway for your mind, it's training. You're teaching your brain to create and believe in a new reality. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more real it becomes to you, and the stronger the impact on your mindset and your life. Remember, the process of visualization is like learning a new language. It takes practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at the conversations you can have with your future self. Keep at it, and soon you'll be living out those dreams you've so vividly painted in your mind. But what happens next? How does this whole visualization thing really change things for you? Let's talk about that. Remember that quote by James Allen. He said, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you." This hits the nail on the head when we talk about the impact of visualization. It's all about transforming your thoughts. When you visualize, you're not just daydreaming, you're actively sculpting your future. Think about it. If you spend your time imagining success, happiness, health, and love, your mind starts to move in that direction. You begin to think differently, see things differently. It's like you're planting seeds in a garden. The more you nurture these thoughts, the more they grow, and eventually they start to blossom into reality. This transformation doesn't happen overnight, but it's a powerful shift. You start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Challenges become stepping stones, not roadblocks. It's like wearing a new pair of glasses that makes everything clearer and more achievable. Now let's talk about the real powerhouse behind all this, your subconscious mind. This part of your brain is like the engine room of a ship. It keeps everything running even though you might not be aware of it. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful in shaping your reality. It's like a faithful servant. It listens to what you feed it through your thoughts, and then works tirelessly to make that your reality. When you visualize, you're giving instructions to your subconscious. You're saying, "This is what I want to achieve." And here's the amazing part, your subconscious doesn't really know the difference between reality and imagination. When you visualize something vividly, your subconscious starts to act as if it's real. It begins to align your actions, your habits, and even attract circumstances that help make your visualization come true. And this is where the real change happens. As you continue visualizing, you're programming your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your goals. Your subconscious mind starts navigating the best route to get you there, avoiding traffic jams and roadblocks along the way. This is where the true power of visualization lies. It's not just about seeing a pretty picture in your mind. It's about changing your inner programming, the very blueprint of your thoughts and beliefs. As you change these, you begin to change the world around you. Opportunities that were once invisible to you start to become visible. People who can help you reach your goals begin to appear in your life. It's almost like the universe rearranges itself to make your dreams come true. But again, you've got to trust the process. Just like a seed buried in soil, you might not see immediate results, but under the surface things are happening. Your consistent visualization is nurturing these seeds, and in time they will break through the soil into the sunlight. Now that we've seen how visualization works, its magic, let's remember some key takeaways. Visualization isn't just for a select few, it's a power that each and every one of us possesses. It's like having a secret weapon that we all carry around in our minds. We all hold the power of visualization within you. It's as natural as breathing. You've been using it since you were a child, dreaming, hoping, imagining. The only difference now is that you're going to use it more consciously, more purposefully. It's like realizing you've had a powerful tool in your toolbox all along. It's your inherent ability to shape your future, to influence your reality, and to create a life that aligns with your deepest desires. So what are you waiting for? Start using this amazing tool. Set aside a few minutes each day to visualize your goals. Picture your ideal life in detail, the career you want, the relationships you cherish, the health and vitality you deserve. Let these images fill your mind and feel the emotions they bring. And don't just stop at visualization, combine it with action. Visualization sets the stage, but your actions are what bring it all to life. It's a partnership between your inner visions and your outer efforts. Together, they form an unbeatable team that can take you to heights you've only dreamed of. To sum up the whole discussion, let's reflect on a powerful thought. Norman Vincent Peale once said, "Change your thoughts and you change your world." This simple yet profound statement captures the essence of visualization. Your thoughts have the power to reshape your world, to turn the invisible into the visible, and to bring your dreams into reality. Carry this thought with you as you step into the world of visualization. Remember, your mind is a canvas. What you paint on it today will become your reality tomorrow. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Moreover, if you are new and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any useful informative daily videos. Thank you for watching and best of luck.